Our legacy systems were very antiquated. Most of them were developed or actually designed back in the 90s and developed in the late 90s, early 2000s. And so our systems needed to be upgraded just from a stability, security standpoint. We were also looking to increase our automation and efficiency so we could get a lot more automation to our manual processes that exist today. ORMB, which is the Oracle Revenue and Management Billing System, is a new system that we're partnering with Oracle to implement for our premium billing and revenue collection. So Kaiser Permanente, we collect about $90 billion a year in premium revenue. If you can think about collecting and processing $90 billion in payment on a 30-year-old system, there's plenty of opportunity for improvement. So one of the initial objectives of this case to implement the Oracle Revenue and Management Billing System was to streamline and automate a lot of our manual processes. One area that we were particularly focused on is what we called reconciliation. That's where we work with large employers and reconcile the amounts that they pay every month for their employees' health benefit coverage. Through the ORMB functionality and capabilities, we've been able to automate a lot of that activity and take down the manual efforts that we had to put in terms of resources actually having to work that. Not only has that reduced the manual effort that we have to put into that activity, it's improved our quality. As you can guess, if you have people trying to manually reconcile very detailed financial information, errors are made, mistakes are made, and we have to catch and fix those later on. We've been able to eliminate a lot of those errors and automate that process so that we can redeploy these individuals to work on other activity to support customer and member experience improvements across the board. So we're just now starting to think about and learn how we can leverage the Oracle Revenue Management Billing System to create a single integrated experience. Could I get one statement and bill that shows all my interactions with Kaiser Permanente? Can I make one payment? Can I do that seamlessly through multiple payment channels? So what I'm most excited about is what we're able to do in the future. Doing that ourselves, if we were to develop and create this all ourselves, would be very expensive, time consuming, and to be honest with you, probably wouldn't make the priority list with everything else we have going on. Doing it with a partner that's working across multiple health plans and multiple organizations really helps leverage that scale and that ability to look more broadly than what we could accomplish on our own.